Hello my friends, welcome back to another episode of Broski. Today in this video I just want to show you how to install Google TV to your USB drive. So you have to download the official setup of the Google TV. Once it's downloaded, you have to extract the file to your PC. So let's go ahead to do this. Once it has been done, you will get the setup. So this is the Google TV setup. Now what you have to do on the next step, we got the storage, and this is actually going to be used for the Google TV storage in your USB drive, so you can check out for the size of them. And now you can see we have to download the Refuse from the browser. So let's go ahead to type here Refuse. Once we got the official website, we're gonna go to download it. So let's go ahead to click on it to get the setup. Here you go. Once it has been downloaded, open the Rufus in your PC. Then you have to go just check out for your USB drive. It's about 32 gigabytes. So we're gonna select the file we downloaded. So this is Google TV. We're gonna open it. Now we just have to just bring up to 32 or 26 gigabytes because my USB drive is 32 gigabyte. Choose that one in GPT, then go click on OK and go OK. And here you can see we're making ready the USB drive as Google TV. So we're gonna wait for it and it's going to be finished, and then we're gonna start the next step. Now what you're gonna do, go find out the disk management, open it, then scroll down to get your USB drive in your PC. It's over here. So now you can see we have the USB drive and we have the 26 gigabyte of storage for our Google TV. You're gonna delete that volume. Then after that, once it has been deleted, you can just left click to create new sample volume. So we're gonna go click on next, next, and next. I mean, you can rename the volume you just want to create over here. I'm just gonna type here Google TV. Then I'm just gonna click on next and finish up. Now time to format the volume you created here on your PC. But first of all, let's go ahead to finish it. Go format it and then choose this one to from FAT32 to EX-FAT. So once you're just gonna done that, you have to exit from here to copy the files to your USB drive because it's already. So let's go ahead to close it. Just open the folders. Now we're just gonna check for Google TV USB drive, which is ready. Now we have the files over here, which is copied. And now what you're gonna do, you just have to open a USB drive over here. Now we just have to cut this system from here to storage, which is over here. Just paste it. Now time to cut or copy the file we just want to make as a storage for my 32 gigabyte of this USB drive. So for that you have to go copy 16 gigabytes of the file from the data. So this is actually our USB drive going to be Google TV. Then we're just going to find out that folder we just got here. So let me open it. Now this is the data storage, and you can see for my 32 gigabyte I'm going to use 16 gigabyte of the storage. I'm just going to extract it to here, then I will cut and paste it to my USB drive. As you can see, the file has been extracted over here. Just gonna copy or cut it. Then we go find out the USB drive from here to paste it. Open your USB drive. I'm in the search. And you're gonna paste over here beside of the system. It will take a little bit of time, so we'll wait for it. Once you're done, your USB drive will be ready to use as a Google TV in your Windows PC. Okay, my friends, our USB drive is ready. Now time to try it on our Windows PC, my laptop. Let's go ahead to open it. Okay, my friends, my USB drive is ready to use as a Google TV in my PC. So just plug it in. Then turn on your PC. Go use F2 to get in this setting. Once you get over here, just use no and go check for security. In the security, you will get a secure boot. You just have to disable this option, and it's already disabled in my PC and I don't need to change it. So I'm just gonna save the change and exit from this setting, and your PC will restart, and you can use F12 to get the Google TV set up, or it's going to start it automatically by itself like mine. So I'm going to choose the Google TV from this list, anyone you want. I'm just going to start from the first one. After you click on enter, your TV will be start. And here you can see we got the Google TV startup logo just here on our PC, full screen, and now we can create our account. But before this, we just have to connect our PC to our Google TV to Wi-Fi. We just got here now home, and once I just enter my password over here, I just gonna use it and just connecting to my Wi-Fi. Once it has been connected, you can use your Google TV by doing some of the startup setups, and this is all about how to install Google TV to your PC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Until next week tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.